If you live in Arizona, in or around the Chandler area, and you're considering bankruptcy, you'll love this tip from Christy Thompson of ArizonaLegalAdvocacy.com.
Do I really need an attorney? Because I get a lot of advice from friends.
You know, that makes so much sense because people chat about this all the time. I would say probably close to 80% of my clients are homeowners. And so neighbors talk. Employees talk to one another. Colleagues talk to one another. And this is a big issue. Where does the foreclosure end and where does the bankruptcy begin, and what can you keep in bankruptcy and what can't you keep in bankruptcy? And a lot of concerns, of course, are about your house. Can I keep my house in bankruptcy? And the answer is you can, providing you're current. So the myth that you can't file bankruptcy and keep your house is not true. But I have so many clients, Cindy, who come in and have said, you know, I talked to my friend, I talked to my neighbor, and he's telling me that I simply can't keep my house if I file, so I'm terrified of filing. And really, if you are current on your house, you can certainly keep it. So again, if you use the funds that you have, sit down, do a budget for yourself, figure out, is it in your best interest, in your family's best interest, to keep the house? Now, if you're behind on that mortgage and it's debts that are bothering you that you can't get on top of, take those funds that you would have paid towards those debts, apply them to the house, and then file bankruptcy. Because, Cindy, if you're current when you're filing bankruptcy, you can keep your house, and in fact, you can keep your cars. Same concept. If you're current, you can keep your vehicle, and you can keep all of your personal belongings. So there are quite a few exemptions, is what they're called in bankruptcy law, things that are exempt. So your house, even if you had equity, you could have up to $150,000 in equity, and it's protected. If you're a single person, you can have up to $4,000 in personal belongings and keep them. If you're a couple, you get double that amount. You get $8,000. People can keep their vehicles if they have loans on them. If they don't have loans on them, but they have a value of up to $5,000, they can keep them. And again, a couple can have 2 cars for a total of 10. So people have that question all the time, and I think it's great to have friends, but you really should be asking an attorney, an experienced attorney in bankruptcy, what it is that can and cannot be kept. And that's where those questions should be coming from, not necessarily from your neighbors or friends.
Thanks, Christy. We appreciate you answering our questions. If you have specific questions for Christy or would like to find out more about filing for bankruptcy in or around Chandler, Arizona, visit Christy's website at ArizonaLegalAdvocacy.com.